Hello all traders, today is Friday, 3rd of January 2025 and we're going to look at the trade that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and their CFD contracts. If we look at the macro chart of 1 hour, we see that the price during the global session started to go up and past the previous day close, and that accelerated pre-market with good economic release news. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to go up and had a pullback around 10 o'clock, and then buyers came back and pushed, and after retesting this level, the buyers strongly pushed the price higher and past the previous day high on Nasdaq and also S&P 500. So our plan of action was to wait to have a deeper pullback here and then take long position when we see well-established uptrend. And we did so around 9:50 to 10. I took several long positions when the buyers pushed the price higher, and this wave of uptrend here was taken on Nasdaq with setup C and T repeatedly. And I waited for another pullback to be completed and at this support level, and the buyers came back around 10:30. I took again one long position on Nasdaq and on S&P 500 also around 9:50 when the price tested this level and got rejected. This wave of uptrend was taken with one long position, and all these trades were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of these accounts here that shows it was positive as we reached a profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated correctly because we had 100% win rate from the 10 long positions taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 217 and the largest winning trade was $420. So this was summary of the trades that we have taken on the futures prop firm account. So on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades that we have taken today. We took 16 trades and had 12 winning trades and 4 losing trades that you see here, and reached a total profit of $383 today, and our profit factor reached 2.21. So that from the previous balance of $356 shows a gain of approximately $27 today. And as you see, the equity curve is growing consistently since the beginning with low drawdown. So this page shows that from the total of 229 trades taken, we had average win rate of 82%, mainly from the long positions taken. So with this win rate, we had 16 consecutive winners, which resulted in $87 gains, and 4 consecutive losers that resulted in $40 loss. And we see that the drawdown account also was kept around 1%, which is safe and far away from the 5% daily loss limit imposed by the CFD prop firm on this account. So I hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping on the futures prop firm account, and also the CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.